are making a classic French dessert. It just happens to be my favorite dessert. A chocolate eclairs with stuffing of vanilla, pastry cream and decorated with chocolate ganache. So let's get started and see the recipe.
This is our first step. So we're gonna add butter in it first of all, and this is 8 tablespoons or 115 gram of butter. And after this we're gonna add 1 cup of water. And salt, half teaspoon, and this is one and half sugar I have taken, but you can take a little bit more, it's okay. Up to 2 teaspoons is fine.
Now we are going to put this over on high heat and bring it to a rolling boil.
So let's go.
Now start the gas and stir everything and bring that to a boil. Look at this, it's boiled now. So take this off of the heat really fast. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour in it and stir hard with your spoon, like whatever spoon you're using. Yes, there we go. Now back to the heat and stir until it's all incorporated. We are going to stir for like 1.5 minutes. After some time, you're going to see this form like a ball. Look at that, see?
I have taken a bowl and this is already very hot. So pour this here. It's very hot. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this.
So start mixing it on like medium and cracking an egg in at a time. So one by one, don't be hurry, always add the eggs one by one. Now we are going to scrape the bowl down to, and this is beautiful, love the color.
So we want this consistency, little falling consistency we want. Okay. So I've added the total 5 eggs in it because 4 eggs was not sufficient. So I added 1 extra egg, so I added 5 eggs total. So now it's time to add this batter in the piping bag. So let's see. I already have this pastry, vanilla pastry in this, and I've taken 1 built-in one of this nozzle. So now I'm gonna make. So sorry, this is like
it's not very falling, but this consistency is good. So I'm gonna make like these small eclairs. So it's gonna be like this. You can take any nozzle, like the plain round one, and this one is fine. plate because it's gonna enlarge, and I keep this very besides together, so it's okay. So eclairs, it's done. So for the brush, a little bit brush for the brush up, like the sides and everything. So we're gonna use egg mixture. So we have 1 tsp of milk, and I use egg also. This is an egg mixture. So I'm gonna mix it. Mix. Okay, so this is done. This is egg mixture is done. Now I'm gonna use it. A little bit of ganache to give a shape. And it also gives a crunchiness because of the egg. So we're gonna do this whole process and everything.
So eclairs are ready for baking, and I've already done the brush down with the egg wash. And let's bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and then 190 degrees Celsius for another 20 minutes. So let's bake it. Yay! See the eclairs? It comes out very nice. It's nice. Now we're gonna decorate it, or next step is to make the vanilla pastry cream. So see.
So first off, the custard, it has to chill. So you got to make it first. We could even make it the day before. Now we are going to add in 2 cups of whole milk and add 1 tsp of vanilla essence in it. We are going to bring this just to a boil and then take it off the heat. We just want a nice hot vanilla milk for this custard. So while milk is boiling, let's beat the eggs. So here I have 5 egg yolks, and now I'm going to whisk it. Now add 2/3 cup of sugar. Whisk until it's light and fluffy or lighter in color. Now add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and whisk to avoid lumps. Look at that, the color and the consistency. It's really nicely incorporated. Yeah, see? Here I have my hot milk mixture. I'm going to put little bit in one time and mix and use it to temper the egg yolk. So basically we are whisking it in a small amount to warm the mixture up. Yeah. Now I'm going to drizzle this while I'm going whisking vigorously but carefully. Now what I'm going to do is transfer the batter in this frying pan and set it over on heat. So here I have this batter already transferred in the frying pan. So we have to whisk it continuously, and I'm almost done. So now I can see it just thickening up. The bubbles are away and we are going to stir really vigorously, and we are almost done. So off the heat, I want you to take a look on this, and this is what we are looking for. It smells so good, so thick and lovely, and super hot. So we have to whisk a little bit more time. Now I have taken a bowl. Now I'm going to transfer the pastry cream in a medium bowl. And now I'm going to cover this with sheet of plastic wrap directly over the surface of the pastry cream. And let it cool slightly at room temperature first, and then refrigerate for 1 hour or 2 hours until chill. So I'll custard pastry in the refrigerator. So we are going to make a little bit of whipped cream. So for this I'm using 1 cup of heavy whipped cream in a bowl, and then I'm going to whip it for like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and whip it up again. Now it's getting thick, and I'm going to add in a splash of vanilla, or 1 tablespoon would be fine. Now whisk it again. So here, scrub the bowl, and at last whip it up for 1 more time. Now I have the pastry cream out from the refrigerator, and it's very chilled. Now I'm going to fold this with this whipped cream which I have made just now. Make sure add little bit at a time to fold in. You could fold in tiny little bit or a lot, it's up to you, but it should be really well mixed. Mix. Now I can say that we have our vanilla pastry cream ready with little bit of whipped cream folded in, and it's going to be very easier to fill my eclairs, and it's going to be delicious.
Now my vanilla pastry cream is almost ready. So look at this, and see. So now I have this piping bag, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to fill this in the piping bag. Now it's the time to fill all the eclairs. So I've started, like, you have to poke 2 like this and fill this eclairs. So like this. Make a hole and fill this vanilla pastry cream in here, and see, it comes like this. Again, check. So it's coming out. So first of all, you have to put it like this. So we're gonna fill all of them. So I have this ganache. I've made it. Half cup of whipping cream, half cup of dark chocolate. So this is the ganache I've made. Now I'm gonna decorate it with ganache. So it's like this I have, and I'm gonna do like this. Somewhere it's, you can put it like this. See, and we can decorate everything like this. so nice. See, all eclairs are ready.
Okay.
See, look at that. Ouch. So yummy. So let's taste that. Oh my god, see, look at that. This is so beautiful. Yum yum. They're tasty, but the filling is coming out, see? But definitely, it is very tasty. It has a chocolate and vanilla pastry. See, look at that, the filling. Oh, it is yummy. It will make your day chocolatey. So friends, I hope you like my very nice chocolate eclairs, and it looks so nice and very delicious. So if you like my recipe and my hard work, so please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends and families, and please press the bell icon button for more yummy videos and for another notifications. It's me, Nancy Boma. Bye bye.